Hi! In front of me is TCL 206, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this smartphone. Start by going into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Apps section. Then click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like location. Then tap on one of your apps. I will go with Maps because it has a lot of options to offer. And select one of those by tapping on the one that you wish to set up. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back and swipe up, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always just select one of those features and one of your apps, click on the chosen one, and scroll all the way down. Then choose See All Maps Permissions and adjust all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!